Oracle delivers a killer quarter. So here are some trades. Stephanie, you were selling Oracle into the print. Are you buying back at all?
No. I think, we had a very big position headed in, and just given the way tech has been trading over the last couple of months, we just trimmed it back a little bit, but we also used the money to buy a new position in Broadcom. So what we're trying to do in tech is just broaden out our portfolio to have, some enterprise, some consumer, some smartphones, some cloud virtualization. So we have kind of the whole thing covered at this point, we think. And if anything, if Oracle were to continue to be strong, we might actually lighten up and continue to build out the Broadcom portfolio.
So in terms of Oracle, if an investor doesn't own it, you don't want to chase it here. So is there a derivative play just in this space? More of the software hardware space?
Well, I would say, big data was certainly one common theme, and they have a lot of great products. And so, if you want to talk about big data, the one company that benefits the most is EMC.
Right.
So, I think that there's a lot of ways you can play it. But, I think a lot of what Oracle is doing, Alex, is company specific in terms of kind of transitioning their hardware platform to higher end from lower end. And they continue to have this fabulous installed base, so they continue to see great software sales.
Does their strong software business mean anything bad for another company? Are they taking market share from somebody else, and who would it be?
No, I think that the company, whenever you listen to this conference call, the company always talks about, their big competitors and, who they're taking share from. Honestly, we're not seeing any share take from IBM, so, for example. The company posted a great quarter. So I think that, what they're doing is they're focusing more on their existing install base and actually just getting more kind of mind share, if you will, from their existing customers. So, it might be some share take down the road, some of the smaller players, but we're not seeing it from some of the big competitors.
So can we extrapolate this real quick for the entire tech sector? I know some of the things for Oracle are company specific, but can we use this as an outlook for a positive third quarter?
Well, you have to be very careful. Their quarter ends in August, right? So you're not seeing. They didn't see any September data in their numbers. We know September kind of was a little bit softer. But one thing that they did say is that corporate IT spending remains pretty strong or resilient, I should say, and that bodes well for the technology sector. And that's why the group has actually rallied. So I think that overall you continue to pick on the weekdays some of the high quality companies, which is what we've been doing.
All right, thanks, Stephanie. So some names in tech can be resilient in this economy.